I'm Sienna. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about indices. Let's take a look at today's sum. Simplify 4th root of 9 plus 4th root of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into 4th root of 9 minus 4th root of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Let's do this. Firstly, we have to copy down the sum. So let's do that first. 4th root of 9 plus 4th root of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into 4th root of 9 minus 4th root of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Firstly, we have to simplify 4th root of 9 and 4th root of 4. So let's do that simplification in the side. You'll see what to do. Now, 4th root of 9 can be written as 9 to the power of 1 by 4. And 9 can be written as 3 squared. 3 squared whole to the power of 1 by 4. That means it's actually 3 to the power of 2 into 1 by 4. Now 2 and 4 gets cancelled here and we get 3 to the power of half, which is actually root 3. We got 4th root of 9, and the same way we get 4th root of 4. Let's see in detail. We do 4 to the power of 1 by 4 equal to 4 is actually 2 squared. So 2 squared whole to the power of 1 by 4. And now that means actually 2 to the power of 2 into 1 by 4. And now 2 and 4 gets cancelled and we get 2 to the power of half. And 2 to the power of half is nothing but root over 2. So we could simplify those two at least. Now let's write those down. Root over 3 plus root over 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into root over 3 minus root over 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now we know that if it's like a to the power of m into b to the power of m, it's equal to the product ab whole to the power of m, whole to the power of m. So we can write this one as here m is actually 1 by 3 equal to root over 3 plus root over 2. I'm sorry, here we have to write this. Root over 3 plus root over 2 whole into root over 3 minus root over 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now here we can use one algebraic identity over here, which is a plus b the whole into a minus b the whole is equal to a squared minus b squared. So we can write this as root over 3 whole squared minus root over 2 whole squared whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now here, root over 3 whole squared is obviously 3 because root over 3 is nothing but 3 to the power of half, and half into 2. That means 2 and 2 gets cancelled and we are left with 3 to the power of 1. So it gives us 3. And the same thing is followed in case of root over 2 whole squared, which gives us 2. And we are left with 3 minus 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Then it gives us 1 to the power of 1 by 3. And we know that any exponent to 1 gives us 1. So 1 to the power of 1 by 3 is 1. This is our final answer. we have simplified this overwhelming expression to our answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.